So before I say this, I just want to say that I'm sorry for all the hesitation in the background and the background noise. I'm doing it right now, but yeah. So hope you enjoyed the video. Hey guys, what is up? Sentinata here, and today we are doing how to make edits. So the thing you will need is either TikTok, if you use TikTok to use your post your edits, Instagram, all that, and if you want to get music from other ways, you can use DU recorder or any other recorder. You're gonna need MP3 video converter and Kinemaster. So let's get into it. So first off, you want to record a video make a video on TikTok, save it to your private, and save it to your gallery. And then you're just send that, or you can take it on DU recorder and just record anything you want to do. Like say you want to do something for Instagram, so you're gonna like record like a audio when you want to do. So you're gonna do that. And here's my TikTok that I chose. So
said to it.
So yeah, that's what you're gonna do. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to MP3 video converter, and I already put it up. So it sounds like this. So yeah, that's what you do. So you're basically gonna press select, and then you're gonna press convert on the bottom, and you can listen to it when you're done or anything. So yeah, you can do that. And then you're going to go into Kinemaster. And I have PixArt because I like try to edit some of my things. You're just going to press the middle button, and you're going to press I'm going to do 916 since I do TikToks for mine, but you can do any types of ones you want. Then you're going to do layer. You're going to go to media. And I have a I have a black screen. You could... Sorry for all the weird pictures. Okay, right here. I have a black screen here. And I can make that just as long as I just need to. Okay, and then what you're going to do is you're going to add your audio. Okay, no, that's not it. Okay. Then you're just going to want it to go, okay. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to, oops. You're just going to make it the size of the music. Okay. And then you're going to add another layer. And you're just going to add your pictures. So I'll be back whenever I get my pictures. Okay, so I got all my pictures in. And here's what it kind of looks like before I do all animations and everything like that. Okay, so that's what it looks like. The next thing is animations. So you press on the picture. You make it in any way you want it. Can you scoot it in? Okay. Then you can do the in animation, which is like anything you want when it comes in. So you can do like a fade, or a pop, or a slide right, slide left, slide up, slide down, spin CCW, drop, scale up, scale down. I really like scale up, so we're gonna do scale up. So that's the in animations. So it would look like this. Okay, so that's basically what it looks like. And then you just press on it again, and you go over all animations, so what it does. So you can do like pulse, jitter, fountain, wind, floating, which I'm going to do, I like drifting more than like floating. So it would look like this. Okay. So when this comes in, you want it to come in. Now what? Forgot the out animation. So you make the out. So say you do slide right, then you'll do like slide left, right for the next one, like for the end animation. But I'm gonna do. Let's do. Wipe left, diverge, right, snap closed. Let's do snap closed, okay? Snap inward, snap up, snap down, exit slide down. Yeah, I like that, okay? So then we're gonna do, so it'll look like this. So it would come up with this one, and so whatever you're doing for this one, you're gonna do so you have the outro for this one. That's gonna be your intro for this one. So I'm gonna go down to go where it goes right down. Okay, we're gonna do that, and we're gonna kind of make it. Okay, the overall animation. We're gonna make this. Let's see. Stop! Stop! Can I make this like the other one? That way it looks better. Okay. So it looks like that. I don't know where that. So it's just one. Okay. So with that being said, we're gonna do an overall animation. Let's do pulse. Why not? No. Today. Fountain. Ring. Floating. Squishing. Let's just do squishing. Wait. Don't want to do that. Let's do squishing. So look like this. Okay. So I'll get back to you when I'm done with all the animations. Okay, so I got all the animations done. So this is what it's going to look like. It's like kind of off. Let me try to fix that. Okay, that must be a little better. Let me. Okay, so the next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna put your watermark to make it no one steal it. So what you're gonna do is you're going to go to layer and press text. Then you're gonna type in your text. So my TikTok name is Gacha, which I need to change soon. Alex06. Okay, then you can change the font or anything you want. So let's do dancing script bolds, cause why not? Okay. Yeah, I'm just gonna save that. And you're just gonna, oh, that's not what I wanted. Just gonna make it bigger, and you can put it down, but you're gonna bring the opacity down, which I need to find out what that is. Okay, there it is. I hit opacity. Okay, and I'm just gonna make it this red. You don't want it to catch the other person's eye. So I'm gonna bring that opacity down a little bit. There you go. And then you can put in animations with it too. So okay. And animation. Overall animation will be, don't want it to be too much. I like that. Okay. Oh, I did something wrong. Our animation will be slide right. Okay, I like that. Okay, so this is what your final result would be. That's it. That's all you need to know. So then what you're gonna do is you're gonna save it. I think you press this. Oh, that's not what you mean. Okay.
Potato.
Let's get out of that. Oh my god. I hope I did that right. Let's see. I think I did it right. Okay, yeah, it's still there. Okay, so if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and just know that I love you all. Sentinetta, Human Form Jamie, signing